Hello viewers, you're welcome to another exciting problem on our channel. And in this lesson, we want to learn how to figure out the value of x in this exponential equation. I'm going to walk you through all the process one step at a time. So let us get right into it. Now, the first thing I would like to do, I don't like working with fractions. So I want to get rid of this fraction here. I'll multiply everybody by 4. So I have 4 into 2 to the x squared minus 4 into 1 over 4 into 8 to the x, right? Then equal to 4 into 0. So, of course, you know, this 4 is the same thing as 2 to the second power, then times 2 to the x squared minus this 4 cancels out this guy. That's what I want. Then I have 8 to the power x equal to 0. Anything times 0 is 0. Now, you see they have the same base. I can take one of the base and I will add up the exponent. So I have 2 plus x squared minus, this 8 can be written as 2 to the third power, all right? All to the x equal to 0. Now, I'd like to, of course, this is 3x, but when you multiply out, you get 3x. So I'll take these guys to this side. So I have 2 to the 2 plus x squared is equal to 2 to the third power and x, all right? So this is pretty much what we want to do. Why we're doing this is that the base are the same right now, and I can cancel out the base. And of course, I'll equate the exponent. So I have 2 plus x squared equal to 3x. This is now a quadratic equation. So I need to put it in a standard form like this. So I have bringing this guy right to this side. So you have x squared minus 3x. Then this is positive 2 here equal to 0. Now this is probably looking like a quadratic equation. And we can solve this problem by factorization. And now this is having a coefficient 1. When this one multiplies 2, you have 2, positive 2. You're looking out for two values. When you multiply them together, you get a positive 2. And when you add those same two values together, you will get what? A negative 3. That's this guy in the middle here. That is pretty much how it works. Now, these two numbers are quite easy. They are just, you start from the multiplication, okay? It's really easy that way. What's it again? Minus, let's start with the easier one. 1 times 2 is 2, right? And if I decide to put minus here, minus 1 here and minus 2 here, minus 1 times minus 2 will give me, it still give me positive 2. And minus 1 plus minus 2, you know, plus minus is minus. That will give me negative 3. So the numbers I'm looking for is minus 1 and minus 2. So you can write it as minus 1x minus 2x. This will give me minus 3x, right? So why do I need this number? I'm going to replace minus 3x here with these guys. So now I have here to be 1x squared, which is the same as x squared. I was just doing that because of what I'm doing. So this is the same as x squared. And now minus 3x is the same as minus x minus 2x. So I have minus 1x minus 2x. And I have positive 2 right here equal to 0. You group now. The next thing is to group them into 2. What is common here? You can see x is common. X here is here. So we factor out x. If x divides x squared, you'll be having x. If x divides this guy, you just be left with 1. Whatever you have here, leave a space right here and paste it here. So you have x minus 1 because these two factors must be the same. And now you ask yourself, what will you multiply with this x to get negative 2x? Of course, that should be negative 2 because negative 2 times x, negative 2x. And negative 2 times negative 1 is must be 2. Now, these two factors become 1. X minus 1 become our first factor. And these guys become the next factor, x minus 2. Although actually what we're doing, we're just factoring out x minus 1. So that's pretty much what we're doing. Just to make things easy. That's why I said these two guys become the first factor and these guys become the second factor. Now, two products are equal to 0. So it means that each of them is equal to 0. Either this guy is equal to 0 or this guy is equal to 0. So like x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So now we have x minus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to 1. When you take 1 to this side and here, x is equal to 2, and that is the solution to this problem. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you're going to come back again. I want to see you in the next video tutorial. Have a wonderful day and God bless you. Bye-bye.